Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, we are going to sublimate a mouse pad. It's so easy and you can make so many adorable projects. So we'll just head on over to Canva and we're going to select custom size. And the mouse pad that I bought is a round mouse pad and the dimensions are 7.8 by 7.8. But we need to make the dimensions bigger when you sublimate. So we're going to change pixels to inches. And the dimensions for the sublimation mouse pad that I have is 7.8 by 7.8. But we need to make it bigger. When you sublimate, you want to have it cover a little bit more area than what the area is. So we are going to do 8.2 by 8.2 and create new design. And I saw a really cute sublimation mouse pad over on Design Bundles that I just downloaded, and it is called, we're going to go ahead and do this one. Isn't this adorable? It's called Joyful Holiday Hold in Wall. It's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one. I downloaded it. And we're just going to upload that image to Canva. And I want to show you a really cool trick. We're going to go to Elements and we are going to scroll down to Frames. You'll see Frames right here. And I am going to select this circle and just make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to the pictures and I'm going to add the picture. So what we want to do is just make the picture a little bit smaller. And we're just going to drag it over the circle and watch what happens. That's it. Isn't that pretty cool? So this is the shape of the mouse pad. I'm going to make it bigger. We're going to do like as big as we can. And let's see, just make sure that's a perfect circle. Yes, it is. And then if you want to just make sure it's centered, you can always hit position and then hit center, which mine's right on point. So I'm good. So I'm going to do that one. So now we need to go ahead over here to flip and hit flip horizontal because we need to mirror the image. So let's go ahead and hit add page, and I'm going to upload one for my son. So let's go ahead and make this bigger. Okay. And next we'll need to go to flip and do flip horizontal. Now we are going to hit share, download, and we're going to change the file type to a PDF print. And then we're going to hit download. And then I just always save everything to the desktop. The next step is just opening your image, your PDF on your desktop, and we're going to hit File Print. And you need to send it to your Sublimation printer, which I'm using an ET 2720. And you want to make sure it's actual size and portrait. Then we'll select Properties and make sure that, in my case, I'm using legal paper, portrait, paper type. I'm doing premium. Quality, you always need to do high. And then we'll go to more options. Make sure your rotate, high speed, and mirror are not selected because we already mirrored it. And you don't want high speed because then the ink isn't very nice. It doesn't do a good job. So then we're going to do advanced. Make sure I have this on Adobe RGB and Gamma 2.2. And then I just went ahead and put this to my liking. We're going to press OK, OK, and then we're going to send it to the printer and just hit print. And let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to use the Cricut press. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I have it set for the temperature of 380, and we're going to do 70 seconds, and we are going to sublimate these. This is the Sublimation mouse pad. And let's go ahead. I'm also using this heat pad, and it's by Real Like. I love it. So we're going to use this so we have some support underneath. And we're going to go ahead and take one of the pads. And this is the image that we took off of the Sublimation printer. It was a little bit longer, so I just cut the excess off. And we're just going to, actually, let's do it this way. Let's place this down first, and then I like to place this right in the center. And if you can see here, there's some extra color. That is definitely how you want it because you don't want any white around the border if that's the style that you're going for, which is what I'm going for. So now we are going to just fold this over because you want it to kind of be secure or snug against it. And we're going to use heat resistant tape. And for some reason, the heat resistant tape doesn't work too well on the back of here. So we're just going to do our best. See how it's already coming off? So we'll just try our best. Okay, so we're just going to carefully turn it over the opposite way, just like this. And then we're going to use parchment paper and place it on top. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and place it down, and you want to give it pressure. So sometimes if you can see any smoke, you're going to get a little bit of the smoke, and that is fine. It's just a little bit of the rubber from the mouse pad. You guys ready to check it out? Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and just take the tape off. Since it doesn't stick that well anyway, I'll probably just reuse this on the next one. And it is hot. Okay, you guys ready? So it is very hot, so I have it on the pad. Isn't that so cute? So easy to make. So let's just go ahead and slide that one over. We are going to do the next one. And we're just going to apply this right in the center and do the same thing. We're just going to fold it over. These are so easy to make, and there's just so many cool designs. You can make your own design. And we're going to reuse the parchment paper, and we're going to do 380, 70 seconds, and you need to apply firm pressure. Go ahead and take that off, and it's very, very hot. Ooh, super cute. It's very hot, but isn't that so cool? So cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. You learned something new. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.